Here is a problem on functions, review, and transformations. So we have this equation, f of x equals negative 2 times the quantity x minus 3 squared plus 1. First, I identify the parent function. Because the expression is squared, the parent function is y equals x squared. So let me just go ahead and label that on this graph, and that is y equals x squared. Okay, next I notice this equation is written in vertex form, and that is a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. And so in vertex form, the vertex can't be read directly. Here, h is 3 and k is 1. So the vertex is 3, 1. So take a look at the graph here. We have the vertex at 3, 1. So let me just go ahead and write that here. And that is vertex. Okay, now let's look inside of the parentheses. So we have the expression x minus 3. And this tells me the graph shifts right 3 units. And you can see that's what occurred here on this graph. It shifted over 3 units. So from here to here. Okay. Next, look at the number in front, the coefficient a. Well, that is negative 2. And here, a equals negative 2 controls two things. First being the negative sign reflects the graph over the x-axis, right? So it flips over. And the 2 creates a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. And so the vertical stretch by a factor of 2 is simply letting you know that the function narrows. So you can see that this is narrower than the parent function. Okay. Next, the plus 1 tells us that the graph shifts up 1 unit. So you can see that's what occurred here. It went up 1 unit. The only difference is that it's flipped, so you can see it right here. So you can see the vertex right there. Okay, so the parabola opens downward, and the vertex is 3, 1. So I will say this, vertex form makes transformations visible without rewriting the equation. Now, in the next problem, we'll look at quadratic functions and equations.